The Madison County ceiling fan by Prominence Home offers an industrial style with a bronze finish and a unique steel cage light kit. Equipped with Edison-style LED bulbs, the fan provides ample lighting while maintaining its rustic charm. This fan features dual finish blades, allowing you to choose between a rustic barnwood and a warm tumbleweed finish to match your decor. Designed for smaller spaces, this 42-inch fan efficiently circulates air in rooms up to 350 square feet. The fan's motor operates quietly and can be reversed to help circulate warm air during the winter months, enhancing energy efficiency. With 3 mounting options and a remote control, the Madison County fan offers versatility and convenience for any room setup.